How to recharge your wallet on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to recharge your wallet. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find Imo wallet. Click on it and here you can click on recharge and wait for a second. Now they're gonna give you a recharge and you choose one of those. Once you choose, click on it, for example, and the first one. Once you click on it, once you click on recharge, they're gonna give you to enter your code, your card bank code, and recharge your Amo wallet easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.